What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C Will back at it with another light, slight video, y'all. Today's video, man, we're just gonna be going over, bro, should y'all even get a Hellcat? All right, should y'all buy a Hellcat, man, in the year 2025, y'all? Should y'all not? Should y'all just pass on it? Should y'all think about it? All right, y'all. So just gonna be going over reasons, man, why y'all should buy a Hellcat in 2025, or might even touch on a couple reasons why y'all shouldn't buy a Hellcat in 2025, man. As y'all can see, man, we got the lake, river, whatever y'all want to call this boy in the background, man. This is beautiful, CEEFAM. You know what I mean? Beautiful Germany, y'all. Man, it's beautiful. Then we got the Hellcat, bro, with the F8 green matching the scenery. You know what I'm saying, y'all? But hey, y'all new to the channel, bro, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. You heard me? I appreciate all y'all out there, bro, who rock with me. I appreciate everybody for y'all support. As always, man, let's get all right, CEEFAM. So hey, let's get right into it, man. So as y'all know, bro, the first Hellcat was introduced to the world, man, way back in 2015, y'all. Yes, we only had the narrow body Hellcat, y'all, but as time progressed, Dodge and Stellantis came up with this great idea, man, to introduce the first wide body. And don't quote me on this, but I think first wide body was introduced to the world, man, 2018. All right, y'all, man, it came out with the Hellcats, the Scats, all that, CEEFAM. And then shit, you even had the V6 boys, the 5.7 boys, man, the Hemi, start to put the little fender flares on there as well, the wide body flare kits. Ain't nothing wrong with that, CEEFAM, long as y'all boys not up badging. But that's neither here nor there, y'all. But yeah, should y'all even get a Hellcat in 2025? My answer, y'all, is gonna always be yes. You know what I mean? I would never deter y'all from getting y'all dream car. I would never deter y'all from, passing up a good opportunity, bro. This is a monumental car, bro, right? Rappers rap about this, singers, man, everybody know a Hellcat, bro. You heard me? Even if yo, man, even I don't know, your mom probably know about the Hellcat, your grandma probably know what a Hellcat is, y'all. You know what I mean? So this is like a monumental car, CEEFAM. Like I said, I would never deter anybody from getting a car like this, y'all. All right, so let's just talk about price. All right, y'all. So mine initially, y'all, mine was out the door was 80,000. Got mine 2022 F8 green. Had all the bells and whistles, peanut butter interior, all that good stuff, right? 80,000 out the door for 2022. Mine only had like 5,000 miles, y'all. Didn't have the rims I have now, didn't have the carbon fiber I have now, all that good stuff. The car been through a wrap phase, and yeah, vinyl wrap, all that good stuff, CEEFAM. But like I said, price, mine was 80,000 out the door. I actually bought mine in California, which is kind of crazy. I don't even know why I did that, but that's just to show y'all, man, it's possible. You know what I mean, CEEFAM? Boy, I'm not trying to fall in this water, man. But yeah, just want to show y'all, man, it's possible. All right, y'all. So even if y'all don't get the wide body Hellcat, CEEFAM, that's okay, because there's definitely narrow body options, bro. If you want to go that far back and get you a 2015, you can get you a 2015 for, I'd probably say, man, nowadays 40 with like decent to high mileage, right? 40,000, 50,000 would probably get you, you know what I mean? 20,000, 30,000 mile, right, y'all? So it's really on you and your budget, CEEFAM, right? How new do you want to get? Obviously, the newer you get, man, the more expensive it get, right, y'all? Maybe if you get a 2018 Hellcat wide body, 2019 Hellcat wide body, right, you can probably find one for shit 60,000, 65, you know what I mean? Like I said, it's definitely gonna be depending on the mileage. All right, y'all. So price, that's price, man. Your price is definitely gonna vary based on the year, the mileage, and obviously condition of the car. The market, y'all, the market always gonna fluctuate, CEEFAM. I'd be wrong if I told you, oh, all Hellcat wide bodies are gonna be 75,000, because that's not true. And it also goes off of like your state, you know what I mean? What's your sales tax? What's this? What's that, y'all? So yes, that's price. All right, y'all. Next, I want to get into reliability. All right, y'all. These cars are super duper reliable, man. Mine specifically, well, shit, this is actually my second Hellcat, y'all. As y'all know on the channel, if y'all been following the channel, we actually had a Hellcat Red Eye, you know what I mean? Bought that boy brand new 2021, 15 miles off the showroom floor in Hawaii. That was a huge thing for me. Never had a brand new car off the floor. All right, y'all. So like I said, bro, these cars are so reliable, CEEFAM. I had to get another one. Yes, I downgraded to the regular Hellcat, but that's cool. Y'all, like I was never gonna use the horsepower anyways, right? Who uses the full 797? Especially if you would do like me, CEEFAM, you never really go to the track. You never, I was pretty much losing. I don't know, I feel like I lost money whenever I bought that car, you know what I mean? Then I bought it brand new. if y'all buy a Hellcat, bro, please make sure y'all buy it used, so that you're not gonna be the one that's gonna be taking that depreciation pretty much, right? Somebody else is gonna take that, you know what I mean, up front for y'all. So y'all not gonna have to eat up that depreciation, just, you know, because yeah, as soon as I drove my Hellcat red eye off the lot, man, I paid 95,000. I know I probably took, man, I don't even know how many thousands I took off. All right, y'all, but yeah, like I said, reliability, man, this car has never gave me no issues, CEEFAM. As long as you up to date, bro, on all your maintenance, bro, and that's just routine maintenance, right, y'all? Tires, brakes, oil changes, you know, stuff like that, man, that'll heavily impact your car. As long as you keep up with stuff like that, CEEFAM, hey, take care of your car, bro. Your car will in turn take care of you. All right, y'all. The third reason, right, man, the best bang for your buck. All right, y'all, this is probably like the first car that ever really came out, man, with the most horsepower straight out the factory. All right, y'all, this boy got 717 horsepower. To the wheels, I'm probably saying mid sixes, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna put a number on it. I don't even know the exact number. I never took this boy to the dyno. I never did anything like that, y'all. But what other car, you know, before Dodge even came out with you know what I mean, their Hellcats, what other cars y'all knew that came, you know what I mean, straight out the factory, hooked up, all the bells and whistles, man? You got the red key, you got the black key, you heard me? So yeah, just power, man, power, bang for your buck, y'all. This is the ultimate dad mobile to me, you know what I mean, CEEFAM? Like, man, I'm probably one of the coolest dads, you know, and both of my daughters don't even know. You know what I mean? Now, some people argue, brother, the Durango SRT, the Durango Hellcat is probably the coolest dad car out there. Y'all, I don't know. You heard me? Me personally, man, I'm going straight for the Charger Hellcat, man. You know, like I say, bro, man, I got room in this boy. You know what I mean? Shit, I got good room in this boy. You heard me? And look, I'm not afraid to put the car seat in the back. You know what I mean? Hell no, I'm not afraid. Come on, bro. Look, I'm not afraid to put the car seat in the back, man. You heard me? So yeah, spacious, bro. Got room for me. Shit, both my daughters, my wife fitting this boy comfortably, bro. Yeah, like if I want to go on a road trip, bro, I just gotta check my oil, make sure everything good. You heard me? And then yeah, I can just go road tripping in this boy. You know what I mean, y'all? So reliability, bro, space, man. I got a fat ass trunk. You know what I'm saying? If I got luggage, bro, you know, and we just rock out like that, bro. I think right now I got my daughter stroller in here. You know what I mean? Little fat ass trunk, bro. You know, car never really dirty, at least on the inside, CEEFAM, you hear me? Outside, the car be dirty sometimes, bro, but that's everybody's car, you hear me, whatever. So don't get on me too much. We got this boy ceramic coated for a reason, you hear me? So, but yeah, bro, like reliability, man, this car's reliable. Price, you know, hey, you get what you pay for, CEEFAM. Now, you know, like, who am I to tell another grown man or a grown woman what to pay for, how much you can afford? Hey, that's gonna vary, bro. You know, everybody circumstances is different, CEEFAM. You know what I mean? But yeah, we hit on what? Price. We hit on reliability. We hit on what? Comfortability. You know what I mean? So yeah, those are the three reasons pretty much why I feel like, you know, you should buy a Hellcat, man. You know, because, bro, this car is definitely one of the best cars on the market, bro. I'm not, you know, I'm not advertising. I'm not getting paid by Stellantis. Nobody paid me to do this video, bro, to advocate for Dodgers, y'all. But man, I must say, bro, you definitely should. And then also, bro, I really wish that I bought like one of them last call joints, or I really wish I bought like 2024 last call and paid a bag for it, because boy, once Dodge said that, hey, since we took the biggest loss on these damn Charger, Scat Pack, or whatever, these EVs, these electric muscle cars, once they announced that they bringing the Hemi back, boy, I'd have been on a good lawsuit with them boys. Hey, I swear I'd have fired Dodge up for a smooth lawsuit, boy. How the hell y'all gonna advertise, oh, we going away with the Hemi engines? Then on top of that, y'all pretty much flop with the damn Charger EVs. So y'all announced that, hey, we coming back with the Charger engine. So all these people that bought the last calls, oh, it's the last year of the Dodge, last year of the Dodge, last year of the Hemi engine, last year of the whoop, whoop, whoop. All them people, boy, hey, we would have had a good lawsuit. Hey, see, we would have been rich. What? I would have filed that. That's like the same thing that they did with the damn Hellcat Durangos. Oh, only 3,000 gonna be made for 1 year. Then they ended up dropping the Hellcat Durangos the following year and the year after. You know what I mean, y'all? So yeah, Dodge is really like, iffy too, you know what I'm saying, y'all? Now, reasons why you shouldn't buy a Hellcat. All right, y'all. Honestly, bro, for some people, pricing may be steep. You know what I mean? But as I say, y'all, you get exactly what you pay for, right? Another reason why you shouldn't buy this car, y'all, honestly, y'all, there's other cars on the market that could potentially, I guess, compete with this car, y'all. You know, there's not like a lot of four-door sedans with this much space, this much power, this much oomph, you know what I mean, y'all, that can really, I guess, challenge this car. There's a couple out there, y'all, but hey, this is a Dodge channel, it's a Mopar channel, you hear me? So I'm not about to explain what cars I think would do better or compete with this car on that level, y'all. But yeah, man, like, I don't know, bro. This car is just, man, everything and more, y'all. You know what I'm saying? For real. All right, y'all. Now, look, reasons why you probably shouldn't get a Hellcat, man. So, honestly speaking, bro, the Hellcats are one of the most broken-in cars in the world, CEEFAM. All right, y'all. Like, man, like, if you live in, I don't know, I'm not here to call no states out, no cities out. If you live in Atlanta, man, you might as well, shit, cancel that, because you ain't gonna see that boy if you park that boy somewhere where the YNs is like that, bro. I'm telling y'all, thank God I've been living on base most of my military career and ain't had to worry about that, bro. But like I said, you live in somewhere like Atlanta, man, you better have 2-3 kill switches, you better have steering wheel lock, you better put a boot on your stuff so them boys can't get nowhere. So yeah, y'all, these vehicles, man, the theft recovery system or the alarm system on these cars are easy to break into, y'all. You know what I mean? So that's definitely a reason why I feel like, bro, you probably shouldn't get this car, CEEFAM. If you live in a busy city, man, where the crime rate is high, people jacking cars, and man, I'm talking about, bro, they be jacking TRXs. Anything Mopar, bro, is doable. TRX, Hellcat Challenger, Hellcat Charger, Scat Pack, anything Mopar, bro, them YNs done figured out a way to take your joint in less than, shit, 5 minutes, boy. You going to a gas station, you come out, gone, boy. I'm telling y'all, it's like that, bro. And people would do anything they can do to get their hands on a car like this, y'all, right? And it's crazy to me, y'all, because it's like, bro, like instead of learning from somebody who got a car like this, right, people will be envious and people will be jealous, right? Instead of working hard for a car like this, people are going to take the easy route or think it's the easy route, y'all, and just, man, steal your car. You know what I mean? I hate that it's like that, bro, because 9 times out of 10 is always black folk, bro. You know what I mean? I never seen Caucasian, never seen no other race was gonna steal a Hellcat, bro. What they gonna do, they gonna work together, you know what I mean, put their bread together, put their minds together, right, form a business and help each other out to be able to afford a Hellcat. Black people though, oh man, we quick to just steal a Hellcat. We quick to just, you know what I mean, and I'd say 5 times out of 10 we stealing another brother Hellcat. You know what I mean? It don't make no sense. It don't make no sense, yo. That's just me going on my rant, but it's real talk. You know what I mean, bro? Black people, we need to come together and help each other out more, bro. Not stealing each other Hellcats, not breaking into each other cars just to take a bag or just to take, you know what I mean? Don't be envious of each other, bro. Help each other out, man. You know, just like how the white people do, just like how the Mexicans do, just like how every other race do. We need to do the same thing. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, for that reason, bro, theft and all that, bro, do not get this car, y'all. Please don't get this. And like something else, y'all, that kind of goes hand in hand, man, with the theft, bro, is obviously, bro, the image. You know what I mean, y'all? Like, you're gonna get a lot of looks in this car, or even if you have a Challenger Hellcat or whatever, bro, any kind of Hellcat, bro, you're gonna get looks in it, man, especially if you modify your car to make it loud. People are gonna look at you because your car's loud, especially if you do, I don't know, any kind of customized stuff or things to your car exterior. People gonna look at you because you got a crazy wrap or a nice wrap, you know what I mean, y'all? So yeah, 9 times out of 10, bro, people get their car stolen, because I'm not saying we as Hellcat owners, we ask for it. No, I'm not saying that at all, CEEFAM. But what I'm saying is, right, there's a lot of people who want our cars, so in turn, yes, they're just gonna steal it because it's easier and all that, and people be jealous and envious for whatever reason. You know what I mean, y'all? Right, and then these cars right here, y'all, like I mentioned earlier, bro, these cars are gonna take a huge depreciation, right, y'all? These cars do not hold no value whatsoever, y'all. So I don't know, honestly speaking, and I'm kind of speaking from experience, fam. If you don't put like a big chunk down on your loan, right, y'all, like I'm talking about it could be upfront, or if you don't get ahead of your interest, right, in your loan, whenever you try to get rid of this car or whenever you try to trade it in, 9 times out of 10, fam, you're gonna end up upside down on your loan, right? Meaning, hey, you are going to end up being in more debt versus what your car is worth. All right, fam. So say for example, right now, boom, my car, I bought it at $80,000, right? A dealership might feel like, okay, shit, you bought it at $80,000, that's cool, whatever, but that's not our problem, right? What we feel like your car is worth on the market today is your car is only worth $72,000. All right, y'all. So that would leave me in turn upside down on my loan, $8,000. You know what I mean, y'all? Now, for the longest, y'all, like I really thought that these cars was gonna hold value since Dodge announced, hey, we're not making these cars no more and all that, y'all. So maybe in the next 10, 15 years, I don't know, right? Maybe this car starts to hold its value, man. You know what I mean? But yeah, like these cars hold no value, fam. And it's crazy to me that these cars don't hold value. I don't know if it's because like it's been so many years that these cars have been already produced, right? Like I said, ever since 2015 until 2025, right? Current day, 10 years, right, y'all? This car has been produced. Granted, I believe the wide body's only been produced since 2018. All right, y'all. So yeah, like still the Hellcat motor, the Hellcat engine, y'all, has only been produced for 10 years. I'm saying only, but that's a long time. All right, y'all. So like I said, these cars are not limited. These cars are not, you know, I don't care if they said, oh, we only making 100 or 200 of these, y'all. I feel like that's like it's like a buying technique. You know what I mean, y'all? Like I said, they did that with all these other vehicles. Oh, we're only making them for 1 year, and then people buy them up, and then shit, they come out again the next year. Which, you know what I mean? It's like, why tell us that and make us think this car is limited and gonna hold some kind of value over time, whenever you gonna just come out with the car again the following year. All right, y'all. So yeah, I believe, bro, that's all my reasons right there, fam, why you should get a Hellcat, bro. You know what I mean? Versus, you know, shit, why you shouldn't get a Hellcat, man. You know what I'm saying, y'all? This car is definitely a great car, fam. I would encourage, bro, everybody, man. I don't care, man. I don't care who you are, bro. I encourage everybody, bro, to try to get a car like this, y'all, right? I'm not saying go get a Hellcat, bro. You can go get Shelby GT500. You can go get BMW M3 CS or whatever it is, whatever you feel like this car competitor is, y'all. Go for it, bro. Right? Sky's the limit, man. Right? Like, I want to inspire y'all. I want to motivate y'all. I want to pour wisdom into y'all however I can. I'm still young too, man, but I hold a lot of wisdom, a lot of knowledge. You know what I mean? I'm smart, fam. So yeah, I definitely want y'all to learn from my experience, learn through my experiences, and just, yeah, like a lot of y'all be like, damn, I want to be like you, Will. Bro, don't be like me, bro. Right, y'all? Watch my videos and hear everything I'm saying, take it in, y'all, and then yeah, in turn, be better than me, because that's my goal, bro. Don't be like Will, bro. You know, respectfully and like humbly, y'all, there's only one Will. Right, y'all? So you got to make your own path. You got to create your own wave, y'all. Like once I die, all I'm gonna have is my YouTube videos. You know what I mean? Knock on wood, whatever, bro. But yeah, I'm just saying, y'all, hey, be your own person, bro. Right? Like you can be great in your own way, stay in your own lane, bro, and just shit, keep driving on, bro. You heard me? But yeah, fam, man, how y'all think this boy look right now, man? Hey, I actually got I got my splitter coming in the mail, man. You know what I mean? So yeah, once that boy come in, I'm gonna give a shout out to my guy. There's actually 2 guys, man. You know, 2 guys who hit me up and said, hey, look, man, if a company isn't gonna ship you out your stuff, send it to my address, man, and I got you, Will. Shit, I'll just ship it to you, bro. You pay me however much it costs to ship it, and then yeah, you good, man. So yeah, I actually got 2 guys, man. You know what I'm gonna give a shout out to, bro, once my items come in, for sure. So hey, I appreciate y'all, fam, for helping me out, bro, in any way possible. You heard me? Hopefully y'all found this video to be very informative, man, because yeah, I'm not gonna sugarcoat it, bro. This car, to me, is one of the best cars you can get, bro, for 80,000 and under. Easy work, bro. 80,000 and under, bro, get you a Hellcat, bro. Now, like I said, it's just me, you know, fresh out the factory, get you a cat, man. Yeah, get you a Hellcat, bro. But hey, y'all, look, like I said, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, fam. You heard me? I'm Will. And y'all CEEFAM, and I'll holla at y'all boys on the next one, baby. Oh yeah, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. Holla at y'all boys on the next one, baby.